Hi, Paul here. Today I'm going to show you how to use stabilization tool in Movavi Video Editor. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel. You can also share the video with friends. Go to the description section, you get the download link for Movavi Video Editor. Now let's begin. Now the first thing after you have imported your video, I have two videos of myself here I was shooting. Like if you see this video here, it is very unstable. If I play it, you'll see that the video is really shaking. If I also play this one, let me play this one. If I play this one, if I play this video, you can see it's really shaking, meaning the person who's taking the video was really shaking. So there's a solution for that, is what I'm going to show you. Now I'll just position my cursor here and choose this first video. I'll come to more tools here under Movavi Video Editor, then I'll choose stabilization. Then I'll just come and click stabilize. Then here you get the stabilization tools or the ones you can use. It even shows you how you can use it. If you just hover around this question mark, they're telling you to stabilize the video, use the accuracy slider. Now I want it to be more accurate. You can also use the advanced setting, but in this case I'm just going to use the shaking. I'm going to adjust it maybe a little bit. Then I'm just going to click stabilize. Now this is the also here there's the original, and also you see the preview after it has stabilized. Now just click stabilize, then it will give it a few seconds. It will try to stabilize the video. Yeah, then after a few seconds you can now preview the video. Let's preview the video. You see it is now stable, it is not shaking, but yeah, you see it's not shaking. Now let me just pause it. Let me now go to the original and also play. You see how it was. You see how it was shaking. You see how it was shaking. Now let me go back now to the preview after stabilization. You see now how it is. It is stable. It is not shaking again. After you are satisfied with stabilization, although later on if you are not satisfied, you can go to advanced and also play around. I'll just click apply in this case. Then if I now play my video here, you see my video is now stable, it's not that shaking. So guys, that's how to stabilize your video in Movavi Video Editor. Kindly subscribe. You can also share your video with your friends. You can also give it a thumbs up if you find value in my videos. You can also go to the description section and find the download link of Movavi Video Editor. Make sure you watch the next video.